Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to use Freeform view in Premiere Pro to organize your media files in Premiere Pro. Without further ado, let's get started. We are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I'm using the editing workspace. All right, you can choose assembly workspace if you prefer that workspace, but right now I'm using editing workspace. All right, let's go ahead and look for a project panel here. All right, so I already imported our files here, the assets folder. All right, so let's go to assets folder. Let's say I want to organize photo. All right, and here is a lot of photos that inside of our photos folder. All right, so I'm gonna click on this Freeform view. All right, so that you can manage or organize your files. Now it's kind of small in this workspace format. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the tilt. I'm gonna hit the tilt key on the keyboard next to the number 1 and below the escape button on your computer keyboard. All right, there's a tilt key in there. Once you press that, it will give you full screen. If you press the tilt key again, all right, it will go back to the original size of the it will go back to the original size. All right, so I'm gonna press the tilt key again to go to the all right, so to enable the Freeform view to organize your files, all you have to do is to click on this icon. All right, this is a Freeform view icon. So if you press that, all right, it will highlight in the color blue, means it's enabled. All right, so you can change the size of it by dragging this to the left to make it small and dragging it to the right to make it large. All right, so let's drag it to the left to make it smaller. All right, cool. Now you can drag and drop whatever you want in our project panel. All right, as you can see. Now let's say I want to organize this, stack like that. All right, you can do that. All right, just make sure you put everything in the middle. All right, you can do that in the Freeform. All right, and say for example you want to drag everything. All right, just select everything and then drag it to whatever position you'd like. All right, and that's a cool way to organize your files as well. All right, let's say you are working with the wedding. All right, and you want to organize your files. Let's say you want to create like a color code. All right, all you have to do is to right click on it. All right, click on new item and click on color matte. Once you do that, click on OK in this, and then you can change the color. Let's say color red. Click OK on that, and then let's rename it with red. There you go. There's a color red here with a color matte. So basically you put it here, and then you create another timeline by pressing the right click on new item, click on color matte again. Let's say click OK in this, and then try to change it with blue. All right, color OK. Let's rename it with blue. Click OK. Drag it here. All right, create another timeline. Create another color matte. Let's say click OK. And then let's say for the green here, click OK on that, and then there's a green. All right, and then you can do that. Right now, if you want to organize, let's say for the receptions or for the vow or something like that, you can just simply drag and drop all the footage depending on your organizations folder. All right, depending on how you want to organize your files. All right, so basically that's very useful if you want to see, all right, a quick look or overview of your footage that was shot so that you will be more organized. All right, and there you can just simply drag and drop, or you can use a second monitor, and this bin, all right, is everything in the second monitor. You can just drag and drop everything, all right, while you are working with the timeline, because you can just drag and drop it to your timeline automatically. All right, so if you press the tilt key again, as you can see, all right, our Freeform is right there. All right, so I just minimize it and look for that, and there you have it. All right, it's still organized in your photo bin. Okay, all right, there you go. That's how you use the Freeform view to organize your media. All right, to organize your media. Let's put it back here. All right, so basically that's it. That's how you organize your media file. Or you can create here, right click on this, you can create new bin, new search bin, new item. All right, you can create sequence, adjustment layer, captions, bars, stones, black, transparent video. All right, reset grade, or you can create this. If you want to make it hidden, right click on it and click on hide. All right, and it will be hide on our project panel. All right, so if you want to show that footage again, just right click and then click on view hidden. All of the hidden clip or a photo or files will be shown up. All right, that's a cool way how to use it. All right, so basically that's all, and that's how you use free view form to organize your footage. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.